partner ni Butterboy. For that So,
the original taste test until today. So we're so thankful that you are still with us into many more years to come, hopefully. Ayun, like Krista said, dagdagan ko na lang, we're really very thankful to everyone. Through ups and downs, of course. Yung 1 year namin, it's not a very smooth ride, diba? There are really ups and downs. We've had challenges, diba? We've had very low feedback, pero we learned to take those as our room for improvement. So, like ngayon, we've been considering other suggestions also. That's why we came up with new flavors also. So, you would see later what's different with the new products that we had. Of course, taking pride on the black color or the dark trend. It's all black. So, even the croissants. Yeah. So, hopefully, this would be a new trend for dark roast. And ayun, we're thankful. So hopefully if you have other suggestions pa po for our role, ayun, we really appreciate it.
John, we have to hear your voices. Oh.
Actually, kasama na yan. Thank you. Tagalog version ko na.
Salamat. Unang pumasok talaga sa isip ko is quality. It's really hard to maintain the quality, especially yun nga, we have 4 baristas with us, and then there are different opinions, diba? Iba-ibang tao, iba-iba ng preference. Something sweet for me might not be sweet for her, diba? Ganun, diba? So yung quality, it's very hard to maintain. That also comes with the materials or the raw materials, diba? The items that we use, so we have to maintain those na hindi kami nauubusan. Yun. I think yun yung naging biggest challenge for us is the quality. Kasi yun nga, like I mentioned earlier, we've had feedbacks na matapang yung ganito, masyadong matamis yung ganyan, diba? So, yun yung mga kino-consider namin. But at the same time, we've been reminding the team, no? It's a constant reminder, it's a constant checking, it's a constant monitoring kung nagagawa ba natin yung standards. Are we still there? Meron ba tayong na-miss out na point? So, I would say na yun yung naging biggest challenge, one of the biggest challenges for us. Pero hindi pa kami talaga totally ka-overcome kasi it's a journey. Oh, it's a learning process. For me, the challenge really is penetrating Maginhawa. So, you know that Maginhawa is a food community and it's a tight dish, right? So, people would have their own preferences. And as we see along this area of Maginhawa, there are how many coffee shops already? So, and there are more opening as we speak. So, that's the challenge. And to Gian's point, our brand has always been about the quality and the consistency. So we reminded every time that the drink prepared by Anna should not be different from Ryan, it should not be different from Ryan and Julian. So dapat pare-pareho lahat yun. Regardless if it's a drink prepared by the baristas or the owners, it should be one and the same. So we go back to what we stand for, which is good coffee. And go there better. With Butterboy, during our meeting, we're really certain about one thing. Yung products namin dapat black. So black drink, black bread, black etc. So we started brainstorming, ano ba yung mga black? Diba? Black Oreo comes to mind. Blackberry, black sesame, activated charcoal, you know, the usual materials that would result to black item. And then, activated charcoal, we scratched that off our list kasi ayaw namin yung feeling na grainy yung item.
But you had it in your cupcake.
No, there's
really?
no.
What was that? Okay, that's it.
That's a secret. Yeah, but no activated charcoal. Yeah. So all items matcha, yes, pero it's not activated charcoal. Yun nga, because we wanted to steer clear of the feeling na grainy yung, yung food. Tapos, we just came up with, bakit hindi na lang black sesame? Like, di ba? Kasi it's not a common flavor for a croissant. Tapos, even the usual sesame is not the usual flavor, di ba? Sabi namin, let's try black sesame croissant. Tapos, with Oreo naman, I think that's one input that we had. Kasi when you say black na dessert or something sweet, na kilala ng lahat, Oreo yung unang naisip. Actually, we still have one flavor left. Now, in collaboration then with Butterboy, that's another one naman na medyo nandun sa savory side. So, itong dalawa is on the sweeter side, and then another one sa savory side. Ayun. Ano pa ba? Yun, we've had discussions with them kung ano yung possible flavors, what would fit yung croissant na texture, kasi of course not all flavors would fit, and then we resulted to these two. And then we've had, actually with Butterboy, just to share lang, they're really, as in, over the top, quality, talent, iba. Kasi we've had one tasting lang, okay na kami. Iba na masyadong, very minor change, more on the looks lang. Pero yung one taste lang, wala na, okay na kami. Sabi namin, okay, let's do this na. So, just to, share lang din, no? I think our first tasting was first week of April. After the Holy Week, second tasting, yung chinek lang namin yung appearance. Tapos yun na yun. So, ganun lang kabilis with them. Iba talaga because they have the talent, diba? Yun. So, I think we were able to communicate and to really merge the ideas. Kaya ang bilis na come up yung sa...
How about the drink? Dito sa drink testing?
The drink, we made it. So we did the R&D. Here lang din. Same day that we had the first tasting with Butterboy. So we tried to find something that would complement the breads.
Hindi nyo naman sila pinag-contest yung mga barista.
Yeah, but I think that's a good idea. Maybe next time. Maybe next time, not yet. So it's just us. We just wanted something new, something that would be interestingly refreshing. Because we've heard of other coffee shops saying that they have their own signature drink. And we don't want to call it our signature drink just yet. But it's being prepared now, so we'll have everybody taste it, and we'll love to hear it. We like it, so sana magustuhan.
That's great news, and congratulations again.